welcome. If you're a senior dealing with inflammation, stiffness, or ongoing discomfort, I want you to know you're not alone and you're in the right place. Today, I want to share a simple morning blend you can drink on an empty stomach that can make a remarkable difference in calming inflammation throughout your body. Some people have chronic conditions, ongoing aches, or flare-ups. Others experience digestive troubles, immune weakness, or pain in their joints. If you've been feeling soreness in your wrists, elbows, shoulders, hips, knees, or especially your spine, this is incredibly common as we age. Years of sitting, carrying extra belly weight, or not getting enough movement can add up. But I want you to know, there are ways to heal your muscles and body feel good again, and this blend is one of them. All of us go through inflammation at different times in life, but as we age it becomes more persistent and more damaging. This is why seniors often need natural, gentle solutions instead of medications that come with a long list of side effects the aging body struggles to tolerate. For many seniors, those daily aching muscles aren't just getting old. They're often the result of long-standing inflammation. And calming that inflammation naturally can bring real relief to your muscles and joints, and this anti-inflammatory blend will make such a meaningful difference in how your muscles feel. Let's start with turmeric. This bright yellow spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. Curcumin helps calm inflammation by blocking the molecules that trigger it. This is especially helpful for joint health, digestion, and your overall well-being. For this remedy, be sure to use ground turmeric. Fresh turmeric root doesn't work as quickly because it contains much less curcumin. Ground turmeric is stronger, easier for the body to absorb, and gives the best results for this routine. Next is extra virgin olive oil. This oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like oleocanthal. Olive oil has strong anti-inflammatory effects, and its fats help your body absorb curcumin more effectively, so you get the maximum benefit. It also supports heart health and helps improve cholesterol levels. And then we have black pepper. It contains piperine, a natural compound that dramatically boosts your body's ability to absorb curcumin. Without piperine, the body struggles to take in all the benefits turmeric offers. Adding just a pinch makes a big difference and helps you feel results faster. If you like, you can add a squeeze of fresh orange juice. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which supports your immune system and gives a refreshing citrus taste. The natural sweetness blends beautifully with the turmeric and olive oil. Let me give you the precise ingredient list so you can make this remedy with correct amounts. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup warm water, a pinch of black pepper. A squeeze of fresh orange juice is optional. In a cup, mix 1/4 teaspoon turmeric with 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil until combined. Add 1 cup of warm water and stir well. Sprinkle a pinch of black pepper to improve curcumin absorption. Add a squeeze of fresh orange juice if you want a citrusy twist. The best time to drink this is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows the nutrients to move quickly into your small intestine and then into your system. If you're struggling with chronic inflammation, no matter the condition, this blend can truly support your body in restorative ways. It's safe, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Use this elixir whenever you need it, even later in the day if you wish. If you're joining us for the first time, I'd love for you to subscribe and share it with loved ones who might benefit as well. And as always, please check with your doctor before adding anything new to your daily routine. This remedy is not meant to replace your medical care or any prescribed treatments. It's simply a natural support. Take good care of yourself. See you in the next video.